Are you lost battery percentage or battery health showing option missing on your iPhone after iOS 17 update? Don't panic. In today's video, I will show you how you can solve this battery health not showing problem. So let's get started. Method 1. Try to restart your device. A simple restart can often fix minor software glitches. After restarting, check if your problem is fixed or not, and try the next solution. Method 2. Check and update your iPhone. Open Settings, scroll down, tap General, tap Software Update. If there is a new update available, then update it. Method 3. Check your battery percentage showing the option is toggled. Open Settings, scroll down, tap on Battery. After that, check battery percentage option is turned on. So, this is how you can solve this battery health not showing problem. If you find this video helpful, hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.